Hiya, Slick. Can you help me out here? I'm looking for a birthday present for my sweetheart Al back in Chicago. Any ideas?
Let's see. Al, Chicago. Oh, I got it. I have something he really is gonna like. The one and only Thompson 1928 Chicago typewriter, aka the Tommy gun. #1 selling gun and exclusively at Palco Sports. This gun features fully licensed with laser engraved trademarks, full metal construction, high grade simulated wood grain buttstock, pistol grip, and foregrip, high torque motor. This gun can deliver 370 to 420 feet per second right out of the box. Very exclusive feature is a patented adjustable back shooting system. With the turn of a dial, you guarantee you hit your mark every time. But one of the best features of this gun, other than the cooling rings, replica cooling rings, is the infamous drum magazine. 450 rounds, all metal, easy to load, self-winding.
Well, it looks impressive, but what can it do?
This gun can dish out 750 to 850 rounds per minute.
Well, that's fine, but do you think it could shoot from, let's say, Michigan Avenue all the way to Navy Pier?
Ma'am, with the power this gun has, and a little help from the Windy City, it can get the job done.
Perfect. I'll take it.
Great.
I just have one question for you.
Yes.
Do you take cash?